Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to add bleed in Canva. This feature is essential when you're preparing designs for professional printing, as it ensures your images and backgrounds extend beyond the trim line, preventing any white borders in the final printed product. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your design in Canva. This should be the project you're planning to print, whether it's a flyer, brochure, business card, or any other print material. Having your design ready ensures you can immediately apply the bleed settings without switching between projects. Once your design is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Click on File to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your design. This menu contains all the essential settings and export options you'll need for professional printing. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Settings. This will open a new panel where you can adjust various design parameters and preferences specific to your current project. The Settings panel is where Canva stores all the technical configurations for your design. Now, within the Settings panel, look for the option that says Show Print Bleed and click on it. This action activates the bleed area around your design, which typically extends 3 mm beyond the edges of your document. You'll notice light pink or red lines appearing around your design, indicating the bleed zone where your background and images should extend to. With the bleed now enabled in your design view, it's time to export your file with the proper print specifications. Click on Share in the top right corner of your screen. This button opens up all the available export and sharing options for your project. From the Share menu, click on Download. This is where you'll configure how your file is exported and what format it will be saved in. The download options are crucial for ensuring your printer receives the file in the correct format. In the download options that appear, select PDF Print from the File Type dropdown. This format is specifically optimized for professional printing and maintains the highest quality of your design elements. PDF print is the industry standard format that most commercial printers require. Before finalizing your download, make sure to check the box next to crop marks and bleed. This option ensures that your exported file includes both the extended bleed area and the crop marks that indicate where the final document should be trimmed. These elements are critical for professional printers to accurately cut your design. Finally, click the Download button to save your file with all the proper bleed and crop mark settings applied. Your file will begin downloading to your computer with all the specifications needed for professional printing. And that's it! You've successfully added bleed to your Canva design and exported it in a print-ready format. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.